Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. My name is M. Shamsundar, TGT Math, working in TSWRS Boys, Kondapaka at Siddipet district. Today we will discuss interesting topic which is related to areas. Let me ask a question to you. There is a statue. Around the statue, some place is occupied by some square lawn. Here is a statue. A square lawn is there. They created a walking area around it so that visitors can come here, stand here, like they can stand here and they can see this statue, and they can even walk around this so that they can see in a 360 degree how the statue is. So for this is the area where the visitors are walking. How to construct this area? What do you call for this area? This area where you are walking will be called as area of path or path area. So this is your today's topic. Path area. Path areas can be like this, can be square in shape, can be rectangle in shape, can also be in circular shape. Circle, best example we can remember, that is a cricket. Players are playing in the circular shape and all the audience will be sitting in the circular place which is occupied around it outside. I discussed just now with you, this is my square lawn. I wanted to construct a path around it outside with tiles. You can see in the slide. So this slides made one more square which is around outside my square lawn. I wanted to find only the area covered by tiles, that means my path area. How to find area of path around square lawn? This is our today's topic. Let's enter into the topic. So we have a square lawn. Around the square lawn we are constructing the path which is also in the square shape. Let me take the outside square length as a centimeter and my square lawn which is b centimeter side. So we are going to find about the path area. Let me tell you step by step procedure how to find the area of the path. Side of outer square, the big one, the outer square is a centimeter that we have taken. Therefore, area of outer square is, we know area of the square is side into side. Therefore, here the side is A. Therefore, area of the outer square is A into A. Side of the inner square, which is our square lawn, is b centimeters we have taken. So what about the area of the square lawn? Can you guess? Yes, you are right. Therefore, area of inner square is b into b. Now what we have to find? Path area. What is a path area? Area is in between two squares. Area is in between two squares, outer square and inner square. Therefore, path area Can you guess how to write path area using the mathematical symbol? Yes, look at here. Area of the outer square minus area of inner square, which is, what is area of outer square? From above you can see that area of outer square is A into A minus area of inner square is B into B. From this you can find the area of the path around your square lawn. Next, if path is laid around outside the square lawn, just now we have discussed, yes, your path is laid around outside the square lawn in detail. Same figure, which is B centimeter square lawn, and the path is constructing around outside. You can look at the slide. Yellow color lines are making a square which is outside your square lawn. In between square lawn and yellow color square, we will create our path, and we have to find the area of that particular path only. Width, if the width is given around your square lawn, width is W. All the four sides width is W. Therefore, your previous problem where A is the side of the outer square. Outer square side will become, you can look at the slide here, then A equals to B plus width, left side width, plus W right, that means right side width. B plus left side width plus right side width. All three will make the length of outer square, which is B plus W plus W. W and W are like terms, so that we can add. So therefore A will be equal to B plus 2W. This we will use, you can find path area if width is given. If the path is laid around inside the square lawn, yes, sometimes you may not have the place outside your boundary. Yes, sometimes it may happen. Then what you have to do? You have to construct your path inside your lawn only. See, look at the figure here. This is your square lawn. You don't have the place outside around it, but you wanted to construct a path. So what will you do? You will take the path in your land only. You can see here the yellow color lines are making your inner square, which creates a path in your square lawn only. If width is given or taken by you in your land is W, then what happens? Side of the outer square is B as usual. Therefore, area of the outer square will become B into B square units. Given width of the path, we are taking the path width, that is W centimeters. This W will be same in the four corners, four sides of the figure. Therefore, side of the inner square, what about inner square length? Inner square length will be smaller than outer square. Your outer square length is B centimeters. From that B centimeters, you are taking out width from left side and width from right side. Therefore, B minus W minus W. Two W's, one for left side, one for right side. Therefore, we can write it as B minus 2W, because W and W are like terms from the algebra. So B minus 2W is the side of the inner square. Then what about your path area? Area of inner square, you got it. Now area of inner square is B minus 2W into B minus 2w. Then you can find the area of the inner square. Look at this slide. Yes, this is a beautiful picture from the Melbourne Cricket Ground, MCG, which is in Australia. So people are playing cricket, cricketers are playing cricket, and around it audience are watching the cricket. That means around the circle there is one more circle. Then how to find area of that path also? You can look at the side here. There is a circle whose radius is r centimeters. Around it we created one more circle which is black in color. Black color here represents the path area, which makes one more circle with our center whose radius is capital R centimeters. Here what we have to find? We have to find area in between two circles, which is equals to area of the path. So for that we will approach like square. First, radius of the outer square is r centimeters. Therefore radius of the outer circle is r centimeters. Therefore area of outer circle is pi r square. Radius of inner circle is small r centimeters. Therefore area of inner circle is pi r square. Here small r. Now we have to find path area, the area in between two circles. In between two circles. So how to find the path area? Path area is equals to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, which is equals to pi r square minus pi r square. First one capital R, second one small r. We have discussed about pi already. Pi is discovered by James, which is equals to 22 by 7. This we discussed when we are discussing circumference and area of the circle. So where pi is 22 by 7. In this way you can find area of the path around the square and circle. We can even find around the rectangle, and you can use this application to find many more further. So we will discuss about them in our next class. Thank you.